That was nice what you guys did. I love that.
It was his 15th birthday.
Nice. Nice. So these are my primos right here. He's from H-Town right there. He's from Stinkadina. I said he's from Stinkadina. We want shots. We're ready for some shots. Fireball, you know, we already know. We want, are you gonna do one with us? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we need 4 shots of Fireball. I need my cough medicine. Uh-oh, that's alcohol abuse.
We don't abuse alcohol, we love it.
Lick it.
That's good.
Lick it.
That's for after the Fireball.
Right.
You got a hand smack on your spread. It was a lady. She gave me her fan, and I was like, oh my god, I love your fan. She gave it to me. She's like, the only thing I want from you. And she's like, don't think I'm weird. She can't smack you out. So I was like, yes. So she went, I said, no, you're hard. She knocked the shit out of me. I went, what?
It looks like it is. Yeah.
You got a handprint or what?
Yeah.
Oh shit, look at that, yeah.
Sorry, I was looking at you.
All right, right here. Cheers, 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 cheers.